Hey everybody, it's Lisa, owner of Peaches Skincare. Wear a hat. If you see me outside, I've got my lifeguard hat on. Get that blood flowing. It's like working out the arms or your muscles of your leg. Hey everybody, it's Lisa, owner of Peaches Skincare, and this is day 14. Day 14 of a 14-day challenge to get you to see just how amazing you are. That you do not need to cover yourself up with makeup and foundation. That you can allow your sparkle to go if that's what you're choosing to do. And I hope that I inspired you and gave you beautiful pointers or great ideas on how to take care of your skin and how to take care of your body so that it will one day take care of you. I hope that you felt challenged and you felt that you could go without foundation. Did you know that in a lot of studies, about 90% of men don't even like foundation? They don't like the way it looks. They think it changes your face. They feel like it smudges all over their clothes. And they many times will say that when a woman comes home and washes and takes off all her false eyelashes and things, she doesn't even look like the same person. So know that you are enough. You don't need to hide behind all of that to be a beautiful, incredible man or woman. I hope that you all feel closer to one another. I loved how we all shared with each other about who we are, and many of you, I hope, became friends just by that one day. I hope that you see that masking, you do not have to have oily, combination, different skin. We all have normal skin. It's what we do to it daily in our environments that changes it. Put on a hydrating mask and feel great. Put on an aspirin and manuka honey mask and give your skin a little brightening. I hope that you learned that wearing sunscreen is important, but the type of sunscreen is what is important. A zinc oxide or an iron dioxide. Wait, not iron, I'm sorry, titanium dioxide. I was thinking color. I hope you realize that wearing a hat outside is just as important. A wide-brimmed hat as it is to wear sunscreen. And that above everything, it takes a little effort. If you want to learn a new hobby, it's going to take effort. If you want to take off a couple pounds, it's going to take effort. Get up, get outside, get some exercise, get some sunshine. It's going to take effort. And taking care of your skin means that you have to have a regime. I always laugh when someone new comes to me and says, I'm not gonna do all that, Lisa, after they just complained to me in the chair that they don't like the wrinkles, they don't like the brown spots, they feel like they look old. It takes effort to take care of yourself. Yes, every night I do my gua sha, my microcurrent, I do my regime morning and night. I don't go outside without a hat on because I know that that effort is what is going to help me feel my very best as I age and as I grow as a woman or as a man. I think that most importantly, I hope this taught you that the better you feel, the better you're going to feel around everyone in your life and the better you're going to be for them. So, 14-day challenge. This was it. We've got more challenges to come. I won't be picking a winner for another week. I just want to make sure everyone got time to complete it and finish it. And I hope that you saw a difference. Share with us below any differences you saw in your skin, your hair, your body by body brushing. And comment with love and kindness. Share these videos with others so that I can hopefully touch others on YouTube. And I hope above all that you know I am here for you and that you stay beautiful naturally.